Jai Mata Di friends, welcome to Total Reality channel. My name is Himanshu. Jai Mata Di once again to all of you and happy and prosperous Navratri 2021 to all the devotees and all the worshippers of Ma Durga. So in this video I will tell you a brief description about Navdurgas and the things required to perform the Navdurga Puja, and then I will tell you Puja Vidhi, mantra and all the relevant information which is very helpful and beneficial to you during this Navratri. So firstly, Navdurga Devi is basically that incarnation and manifestation of goddess Durga, which she had taken during her war with the giant known as Mahishasur. To defeat and to kill and slay that demon, she had taken 9 forms back to back in the possession of war, which are namely: first is Shalputri, second Brahmacharni, third Chandraghanta, fourth Kushmanda, Pancham Skandamatra, sixth Katyayani, seventh Kalratri, eighth Mahagauri, and ninth Siddhidatri. So these are 9 manifestation and incarnation taken by Devi Durga. After taking all these different kinds of forms in the possession of war, she had defeated a giant, a very cruel giant naming Mahishasur. So this is all the relative and relevant brief story regarding Navdurgas. And after that I am telling you the things required to perform the Navdurga Puja. The first thing you need to require is very important, which is 9 avatar of goddess Ma Durga idol or a photo. Second thing is chonki or a wooden you can say stool. Third thing is new red cloth. Fourth thing is roli. Fifth will be the mango leaves. Sixth will be the sweets. Seventh supari or somewhat like any of the you can say a fruit. Eighth will be gangajal. Ninth will be rice or a rice grain. 10th will be earthen lamp or batti or bati in Hindi we can say. 11th will be desi ghee or ghee in a relevant sense of English. 12th will be roli, or we can say you can say in English we can say that a red kind of thing which had to be tied in a wrist. 13 will be the coconut. 14 will be the chunri or a sacred cloth which need to be worn to the idol of Devi Durga. 15th will be the klava. 16th will be the wick. 17th will be the sindoor or a sacred, you can say a sacred powder to be offered to the idol of Devi Durga. 18th will be the scent. 19th is the sacred thread, or as I already told you about the roli. This is called a sacred thread which need to be tied to the Devi Durga idol also and to your wrist also. Log, kapoor or camphor in English. Elaichi, which is cardamom. Diya, or we can say diya and dhoop sticks are sacred sticks should be placed in front of Devi Durga's idol. Flowers may be of different kind. It will be almanda, it will be of hibiscus, and whatever rose, lilies, whatever you want to offer you can offer. Flower garland is also a great option for that. And after that I will tell you the puja vidhi of Nat Durga. The first step is place the chonki, or we can say the wooden stool, on a puja place and cover it with the new red cloth. Second step is the put the goddess Durga idol or a photo on chonki. Third thing is sprinkle Ganga Jal on the idol and surroundings to make the puja place sacred. Fourth step is light up the earthen lamp and agarbatti stick to start the puja. Fifth will be the pray to goddess Durga to receive your puja offerings. That is very important. Apply tilak on forehead of goddess Durga. You must also put rice grain and plus tikka on the idol. You can offer it. Show earthen lamp and dhoop stick to goddess Durga. After that, offer sweet and Ganga Jal to drink. Now it's time to offer lox, supari and ilaichi, which is lox, supari, sacred fruit, and after that ilaichi, which is cardamom. Offer this and do that, and that time be in full concentration of doing puja only. Don't fickle your mind on anything else. Keep chanting the following mantra. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupen Sanstita. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shanti Rupen Sanstita. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Matre Rupen Sanstita. Namastasai 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 Namo Namah. Sarvamangal Mangale Shiva Sarvat Sadhike Sharanya Trayambake Gauri Narayani Namastute. This is the mantra. You can say a mool mantra, a main mantra to propitiate, to please, to make happy goddess Durga, so that she will fulfill all your relevant wishes, all your good wishes, your exact wishes, whatever you are thinking, whatever you want to make them fulfill, whatever you beg in front of her, she will fulfill. That's my promise. So this is all the relevant information regarding 2021 Navratri, and also this information from my side will help you a lot. This is my confidence, and Jai Mata Di once again to all of you, and I am telling you the Shubh Muhurat or the best time to do that puja will be the 7 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. or we can say 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. on 13th April, which is the first day of Navratri. Jai Mata Di, and I wish you all a very happy and prosperous Navratri. Jai Mata Di and Jai Ma Shailputri, because this is the first day of Navratri. So at last I am thanking you all, and I am saying that please subscribe Total Reality channel. Thank you.